ఓం శ్రీ గణేశాయ నమః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణీయం. ఓం శ్రీ కృష్ణాయ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. దశకం 32, శ్లోక 6. ధరాం త్వదాదేశకరీం అవాప్తాం నౌరూపిణీం ఆరురుహుః తదా తే తత్కంపకంప్రేషు చ తేషు భూయః త్వమంబుదేః ఆవిరభూః మహీయాన్. Word by word meaning. Tada, then. Te, they. Twadadeshakarim, carrying out thy command. Now Rupinim, in the form of a boat. Avaptam, which approached. Dharam, the earth. Aruruhuhu, got into. Teshu, when they. Bhuyaha cha, again. Tatkampa-kampreshu, trembled in fear because of the boat rolling. Tasyaha kampena kampreshu, kampra, trembling. Tvam, thou. Mahiyan, with a huge form of the fish. Ambudehe, from the ocean. Avirabhuhu, didst appear. Full meaning. Then they got upon the earth, which approached them in the form of a boat at thy command. When because of the rolling of the boat they trembled in fear, thou didst appear from the ocean in the form of a huge fish. Om Tat Sat.